Hi there, students. Per Stirpes. Per Stirpes. This is a bit of legal English, and it comes effectively from Latin, straight from Latin. Okay, this is to do with the distribution of inheritances. Per Stirpes is a method of distributing the estate of a deceased person, giving an equal amount to the descendants or to each of the branches of the descendants of the dead person. Now, let me explain. I can give you an example from personal experience. When my grandmother, my father's mother, died, I received half of her estate. Not that it was very much. Let's see. Half of it went to her one son, and the other half was supposed to go to my father, but my father was dead. So I received my father's half. If I'd had a brother, I would have received half of that half, and my brother would have received half of that half. Okay, so it's just a method of distributing the estate so that each direct descendant or their line, their children or their children's children's children, receive an equal share, or each branch. So my uncle received half, and my father would have received half, but I received that because he was dead. If I'd had a brother, I would have received a quarter, and so would my brother. If I'd had a brother and that brother had had a son and my brother was dead, he would have received that as well. Okay, and that's the idea of per Stirpes. Okay, this is effectively just a way of distributing an estate. This is technical legal English. It's probably quite unusual, and you're not very likely to meet it, but it's an interesting one to know. Let's see, formality. Am I going to give it a 9? I might even give it a 10 in formality. It's a lawyer's term. And then as to origin, I said it comes from Latin per, through or by, and stirpes, the rootstock, the root that grows a plant. Okay, so the plant is the original person, and the rootstock are the subsequent people in the family tree. Okay, so per Stirpes. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Per Stirpes.